Hello kids, let's learn about internal body parts. Brain. It controls our body and helps us think, learn and remember. Heart. It pumps blood to the whole body. Lungs. It helps us to breathe in oxygen and breathe out air. Stomach. It helps us to digest and break down the food we eat. Liver. It cleans the blood and helps our body. Kidney. It filters waste from the blood and makes urine. Small intestine absorbs nutrients from food. Large intestines absorb water and helps remove waste. Bones give shape and support to our body. Muscles, it helps us to run, jump, play, etc. Skin, it protects the whole body and keeps germs out. Blood, it carries oxygen and nutrients everywhere inside the bodies. Nerves, it carry message. Pancreas helps digest food and control blood sugar. Bladder, it stores urine until we go to the bathroom. Bye kids, see you in next video.